Benny the brave puppy learns to stay calm. Once upon a time, in a sunny little town, there lived a fluffy brown puppy named Benny. Benny was friendly, playful, and loved chasing butterflies. But sometimes, Benny had a big problem. When things didn't go his way, like when he couldn't catch his red ball or when someone knocked over his block tower, Benny got really, really mad. One day, Benny and his best friend, Lulu the Lamb, were playing fetch. Lulu accidentally grabbed Benny's favorite red ball and ran off laughing. Benny's ears twitched, and his tail stiffened. "Give it back!" Benny barked, stomping his little paws. His face turned red, and he growled loudly. Lulu stopped in her tracks, her eyes wide. I didn't mean to upset you," she whispered, placing the ball on the grass. Benny snatched the ball and ran home, feeling hot and grumpy. That night, Benny couldn't sleep. His heart felt heavy. He missed Lulu already. The next morning, Benny's wise grandma, a kind old golden retriever, noticed something was wrong. "Why the gloomy face, Benny?" she asked. "I got mad at Lulu yesterday. Really mad. And now I think I hurt her feelings," Benny sniffled. Grandma nodded. I think it's time you learn the Paws-and-Think Trick." "The what?" Benny tilted his head. Grandma smiled. "It's a trick for calming down when big feelings grow too big." She whispered. "When you feel mad, don't bark or bite. Stop for a moment, make things right. Take a deep breath, count to 4. Then speak your feelings, don't roar or roar." Benny blinked. "Take a deep breath. Count to 4. "That's right," said Grandma. "And you can even walk away and come back when you're calm." Benny practiced. He closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and counted, 1, 2, 3, 4. He already felt a little better. That afternoon, Benny found Lulu by the big oak tree. He walked over, ears low. "I'm sorry I yelled, Lulu. I was mad, but I didn't want to hurt you." Lulu smiled. "It's okay, Benny. Thanks for saying sorry." Benny wagged his tail. "I'm learning the Paws-and-Think Trick. Next time, I'll take a breath and count before I bark." Lulu laughed. "Let's practice it together." And from that day on, whenever Benny felt those hot, angry feelings rising, he remembered. Pause. Breathe. Count to 4. Then use kind words, not a roar. And you know what? Benny didn't just become a calmer puppy, he became a braver, better friend, too.